Hey guys, I promised you that I would show you how to create a Gmail email signature. So here are the tools that you will need. First of all is a Gmail account, which of course has your Gmail email. Then you will need Google Drive. You just go to your Gmail account, click on this icon here, and there you have Google Drive. You can have that open. Then the other thing that you will need, if you have a logo, that's okay, but I'm gonna create a new logo with Canva. Then of course you will need to link your social media accounts. So I'll just open the map so that I can grab the links: Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, all the social media profiles that you'd like to link. You can just open up or just grab the links and just uh, paste them somewhere separately, and then you're going to add them later. So the first thing that you're going to do is create a new document. Go to Google Docs and create a new document. This is where you're going to do the actual creating of the email sort of template, or just create an email here, and then we're going to copy and paste it over into Gmail. So you just follow my steps, and I'm very sure that you're going to do a good job. So you can title your document as Gmail email signature. But then before you come to this, I think the first thing we want to do is create a logo. Okay, I love doing stuff with Canva. You can create your logo with any other software that you like. It could be Photoshop, but I want us to create a logo in Canva. One of these days I'm going to do a short clip on how you can use Canva for various things like creating social media graphics and stuff like that. But in this case, I'm just creating a simple logo. So when it comes to creating a logo, you have so many templates to choose from. I want something real simple, so I've chosen this template. Well, it's not that exciting. Oh, we could try this one. Okay, let's actually try this template. I've tried so many. I can't seem to get satisfied with any. Okay, but let me try this one. I think this one will work. It looks quite girlish. Keep it in the middle. Download. Then I'm going to remove the background. I think I'll need to reduce the size. Insert a table. So now when it comes to creating the actual email, you want to create a table that has at least these two columns. In the first column, that's where you're going to put in your logo. This border is a bit too large. I don't like it. I think it will be nice to just reduce it. Let me just reduce it in Photoshop so that it looks neater. Now this is the transparent background I was talking about. So to remove this background, which will automatically reduce the image, just come to image, trim, transparent pixels, okay, boom, and the image is resized and looks just perfect. Save for web. Again, you'll want to save as PNG. I always like saving PNG24 so that I have maximum quality. Save again on the desktop, replace. So let's replace this image. Yeah, that fits nicely. So of course you want to reduce it because so that the text doesn't look too off, and then resize the table. Okay, so what are we going to input here? Your name and title. I think a dash is better. Then you could put a comma and the company that you represent. The other thing we'll want to put in, let me go back to the email that I created earlier that I promised you I would recreate. Then you can put in your phone number, put in your email, put in your website address. Then it's always nice to make sure that you're using the same kind of formatting so that it looks neat and beautiful. I'll change this color to something like a darker gray. And then lastly, we need to put in the social media profiles. So what I've done is you can go to the web and look for social media icons, but in this case I had downloaded some social media icons that I'm going to attach here. Let me see. Yeah, here we go. So I'm just going to copy this entire folder over to Google Drive, and then I'm going to copy the social media images from there. So there we have our social media icons. Let's go back to our email. The first one we want to put in here is Facebook. So let's insert a Facebook image. We can resize it. Then I like to put a straight pipe just to create space. Actually, rather than put a straight pipe, let's put some spaces. 1 2 3 1 2 2 enough. Put in Twitter. 1 2. Then you put in LinkedIn. 1 2. Then we put in next Instagram, and there we have it. So next step is to and there's something I forgot to insert. Let's insert a row above, and we merge these two, because here we're going to input. So now the next thing we're going to do is link up these social icons. So I go to my Facebook page, grab my profile, and link. Go to Twitter, grab my profile, and link. Instagram, and finally YouTube. If you have a channel, you can select your channel. I have a few videos on my channel, so I'm gonna select my channel and link it up here. So ideally you can link as many as you like. You can link your WordPress account, your Wikipedia, your WhatsApp, all this, whatever social media profiles you think would be important for the people who are receiving the email to have, you can link them up. Alright, so now the next thing we need to do is remove these borders. But before we remove go to table properties and reduce this to 0.5 and reduce this, the table color, to white. That removes the color. Then you come back here. You see, as I highlight the mouse, you're able to see where the line is. You highlight that one line and change its color to something interesting. In this case, because I've been using purple a lot, let's make it purple. Then I'm gonna use the dash line so that it looks more interesting, and boom, there we go. I think I should also change this to some sort of purple color like this. Nah, that's not too interesting. Let's select another color. Yeah, that looks pretty much like it. Now the next thing you're going to do is just highlight this, copy like that, copy, and then you go back to your email account. When you go to email account, go to settings. There, that's where you find settings. And then you're going to scroll down to, I had another email signature which was regard, so let me show you. So this is my chance to make it look better. So I'm going to paste this one in. And as you can see, when you click on this, show you goes to Facebook, goes to Twitter, Instagram. Looks like I didn't insert the LinkedIn profile. Yeah, I didn't. So when you go to your LinkedIn account, you're gonna find your profile, and then you get the profile link. That's what you're going to link. So that's my profile link. I'm gonna link it. There, that's look okay. So copy again. settings, select all, delete, and you copy the correct one. So when you go back, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, G+. So we go back to the email. Make sure these ones are not touching each other. Make sure there's a space over here, and you save. See if there changes. So let's see, when it goes to composing an email, what exactly are we seeing? There you go. That's my email signature. All right, and that's how you create sexy email signature. Thank you for watching this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be having more of such videos coming soon. Thank you.